KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hopefully you enjoyed the sunshine and slightly warmer temperatures today after the very dreary and cold start to this work week. But the good news is that sunshine is going to continue tomorrow and into the weekend, and that should gradually start to warm temperatures up. But for our friends and families up in the Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, and up to the Northeast, they are dealing with their first big snowstorm of the winter season. It brought snow back through St. Louis. Portions of Illinois saw 6 inches of snow in some communities. The heaviest snow falling back through Pennsylvania, as some areas saw near a foot of snow earlier today. That system now pushing into New York and up into the New England area and lifting up off to the north and northeast, but not before it caused a lot of dangerous conditions earlier this morning as the roads iced over, and it did cause a few fatalities. So that system is leaving. On the backside of it, not a whole lot going on, and that means we're going to stay high and dry in the coming days here locally. Later on this evening, we did have some high clouds work across Acadiana, but those are now pushing off to the north and northeast. Mostly clear skies for the rest of this evening, and that should set up another chilly night. Already down to 39 degrees at Acadiana Regional Airport outside of New Iberia. Dew points are coming up a little bit, up to about 35, so I think that's about as low as we can get as far as the temperatures tonight. So we'll stay above the freezing mark, but we'll get close to it, and that means a patchy frost does look possible to start off our Friday. But during the afternoon, shouldn't have too many issues. So another cold start to get our Friday going. Could have some high clouds still with us tomorrow morning, but those mix out and we have plenty of sunshine as high pressure moves over top of Acadiana. That starts to warm things up, as we should be about 10 degrees warmer than we were this afternoon, getting into the mid-60s. So another comfortable day to be out and about for our Friday. And for some of those high school football playoff games going on tomorrow evening, shouldn't be too bad, as temperatures will dip down through the 50s during game time. We'll get down into the lower 40s starting off Saturday, and then warming up again during the afternoon near 70 degrees with lots of sunshine. So it should be pretty good for the UL and LSU football games or any other activities that you have planned for this weekend. So looking at those temperatures, you can see we'll be getting down into the mid-30s across northern portions. So we'll go 36 Ville Platte up to Alexandria. Along the interstate, mid to upper 30s, so about 37, 38 here in Lafayette. Down the New Iberia and Abbeville getting started tomorrow morning. So grab the heavy jackets out the door again. And as mentioned, with that frost possible, you might have to scrape the windshields, so you might have to give yourself a couple extra minutes for that. During the afternoon, you can pretty much shed that jacket, as temperatures will get into those mid-60s with plenty of sunshine. So also have the sunglasses with you tomorrow afternoon. Pushing into Saturday, not as chilly to get the day started. I think temperatures hold in the 40s for overnight lows, maybe even the mid-40s here in Lafayette. But if you're going hunting come Saturday morning, shouldn't be too bad out the door then. And then during the afternoon, temperatures even warmer as we're pushing the upper 60s to maybe near 70 degrees with more sunshine continuing. And then I do think by Sunday we will reach those 70s. So for the rest of our evening, we'll just call it some passing clouds, getting down to about 36. So as mentioned, watch out for that patchy frost in some areas. Then for your Friday, just a fantastic end to the work week. 64 for that afternoon high. Will warm up quickly and beginning to feel a little bit more normal for this time of year, but we should still be in the lower 70s for average time right now. And then heading out to that UL football game, so starting your tailgating, just a mix of sun and clouds, 69 during the afternoon. Should be in the mid to upper 60s as the game gets started. So very comfortable, fantastic weather for the final home game and senior night over there at Cajun Field, and then dropping down into the lower 60s. So you might just need a light jacket towards the end of the game, but outside of that, not looking too bad. Same thing for the LSU game. 71 on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds. 66, but a slight rain chance on Monday as our next frontal system moves through, and then that kind of stalls out along the Gulf Coast, producing a 40% chance for some scattered showers on Tuesday. A little bit of a break on Wednesday, but late in the day on Wednesday into early Thursday morning, a little Gulf low will move across, bringing with it some scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms to the region. Temperatures for Thanksgiving will be in those mid-60s. We'll call it rain during the first half of the day, but should be drying out during the afternoon. So if you're doing some late evening shopping or into early Black Friday, shouldn't be too bad. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, and then going into next weekend, we kind of stay very fall-like, mid to upper 60s with slight rain.